Have you ever thought of making money by subdividing land and selling it? If you haven't, you should, because this is one of the easiest way to grow wealth in real estate. And today, I'll be showing you two different properties that are perfect for subdivision. And the best part, if you're new to real estate, I can help you in the process of subdivision, and once the subdivision is over, I can work with you to make sure that all the plots are sold. Let's start with this 5-acre that is on distress sale. The land is located in Limuru, section called Ndeiya, and it's less than 50 kilometers from Nairobi. Here's why this is the perfect land for subdivision. Let's see, the land is 5 acres, and 1 acre will give you 8 plots of 50 by 100. That means at the end, if you subdivide this 5-acre piece of land, you will end up with 40 plots. Another advantage of this land, it's already fully fenced. As you can see, it's fenced with full concrete all around. The land also comes with piped water, electricity is on site, so this makes the land very ready for subdivision because any buyer who buys can settle immediately. Additionally, the land comes with blue gum trees, which means if you buy this land, you can start by selling off the blue gum trees, which gives you instant cash flow as you process subdivision. At an incredible 20 million for all the 5 acres, you're buying each acre for 4 million. If you subdivide these plots of land and sell them for 1.2 million, the total cash that you will get is 48 million. If you take out the cost for subdivision and maybe a little advertising, you will more than double your investment. But if you don't want to sell all the land, you can buy the 5 acres, sell 3 acres, and keep 2 acres for yourself. And in those 2 acres, you can turn the 2 acres into your own penthouses that you can build and sell. From the money that you make selling the other section, you can build these 2 and continue growing your money. Now, if that doesn't work for you, if you don't have the 20 million and instead you have 15 million, this second property is for you. Now, this second property is a quick sale opportunity. The owner is willing to let it go below the market value because there is another property that they want to buy from us. If we do the same mathematics, 1 acre will still give you the 8 plots and you end up with 40 plots in total. Still, for this property, water and electricity is already there. Again, less than 50 kilometers from Nairobi CBD, and you can sell this property to people who want to commute from their homes to Nairobi. This land is next to Ndiuini shopping center, which there are so many schools, churches that are nearby, and these 2 pieces of land are ideal for anyone who wishes to settle a family. At 15 million for all the 5 acres, this other property now, it's at 4 million per acre. This is even cheaper than the other property, meaning you can even sell now a 50 by 100 acre here at 1 million. Remember the other property we had said, we sell it at 1.2 million. Here you can sell it for low at 1 million. And even if you do that, you walk away with 40 million. Now, even if you take marketing expenses and you bought this for 15 million, you sold it for 40 million, you will have more than doubled your money in 6 to 12 months. That is how lab subdivision works. You buy a big property, you cut it into small pieces, and then sell for massive profits. If you've always wanted to start subdividing land for resale, this is your biggest chance. And the best part, if you buy any of these 2 properties and you don't know how to sell, I will personally work with you to make sure the subdivision goes through and the sale goes through in a year or less. So if you are ready to grab these opportunities, give us a call, number of the screen.